Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the current affairs of the 27th October 2022. So first of all, we will discuss about the questions that I have given yesterday in the last of video. Daily I am giving one question at the last of video, and on the next day we will solve that question first. So the question was the yellow color of the human urine is due to pigment called. Option A is the cytochrome, option B is the hemochrome, option C is the urochrome, option D is the phenolchrome. So correct answer is the urochrome. So the yellow color of the human urine is due to pigment urochrome, and this pigment urochrome is formed by the bile pigment. It is formed by the bile pigment that is called as bilirubin. So the yellow color of the human urine is due to pigment called the urochrome, and urochrome is formed by the bile pigment that is called as the bilirubin. So correct option is the urochrome. Option C is the correct. Next, we will start the national current affairs news. If you are new to this channel, so please subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification. So next we will start the national current affairs news. So an initiative has been launched in the Assam that is called as the Tree Beyond the Forest. This initiative, that is Tree Beyond the Forest, has been introduced by the Assam government and USAID, means its full form is the United States Agency for International Development. So this Tree Beyond Forest initiative is launched in the Assam, and this initiative is introduced by the Assam government and United States Agency for International Development, and the goal of the Tree Beyond Forest initiative is mainly to bring together the farmers, businessmen and private institutions, mainly to increase the amount of tree in the Assam's non-traditional forest. So the main motto of the Tree Beyond Forest initiative is to increase the amount of trees in the non-traditional forest in the Assam. Next is the airport in Odisha, that is Jaipur Airport, has been given a license from the DGCA, means its full form is the DGCA is the Director General of Civil Aviation. So the airport in Odisha has been given a license from the DGCA for commercial flight operation under the Regional Connectivity Scheme, and the name of airport is the Jaipur Airport. The name of airport is the Jaipur Airport. So one new airport in Odisha has been given license from the DGCA for commercial flight operation. Next is the Kasi Tamil Sangamam program. So Kasi Tamil Sangamam program has been organized by the Ministry of Education, and the main aim of the organizing the Kasi Tamil Sangamam program is to rediscover the centuries old bond of knowledge and ancient civilizational linkage between the Varanasi and Tamil Nadu. Nadu. So Kashi Tamil Sangamam program has been organized by the Ministry of Education, and this program, the motto of organizing this program mainly to link between the knowledge and civilization between the Varanasi and Tamil Nadu, that is the ancient knowledge and ancient civilization linkage between Varanasi and Tamil Nadu. Next is the cabinet of Karnataka state has increased the reservation for the SC and ST community. So the Karnataka cabinet has decided to increase the scheduled caste by 2% and scheduled tribes by the 4%. So the decision is taken by the Karnataka cabinet mainly to increase the reservation for the scheduled caste by 2% and scheduled tribes by the 4%. The Chief Minister of Karnataka is the Vasavaraj Bommai. Vasavaraj Bommai is the CM of Karnataka. Next, we will discuss about the international news. So, in the international news, first is the New York City. The New York City, there will be public holiday for the Diwali from the 2023, and this decision is announced by the mayor of the New York City. That is, in Diwali there will be holiday for the New York City public school from the 2023. Next is the Netherlands has beats the China and becomes the India's third largest export market. So the Netherlands has emerged as the India's third largest export destination ahead of China and Bangladesh. So Netherlands becomes the India's third largest export market. Next we will discuss about the awards related news. So in the awards related news, the National Intellectual Property Award. This National Intellectual Property Award is given by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So the National Intellectual Property Award is given by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and for the 2021 and 2022, the IIT Madras has been awarded with the National Award for Intellectual Property. So for the year 2021 and 22, the National Intellectual Property Award was given to the IIT Madras. Next is the Sakharov Freedom Prize. It is the award given by the European Union, and this Sakharov award for the 2022 is given to the Ukrainian people. So the European Parliament has been given this award. Sakharov Prize is given to the Ukraine mainly for the freedom of thought, to honor their fight against the Russia's invasion. So the European Parliament has given the Sakharov Freedom Prize to the Ukrainian people. Next is the European Parliament headquarters is in Strasbourg in France, and European Parliament was founded on 19th March 1958. So the European Parliament has given the Sakharov Prize to the Ukrainian people. Next, we shall discuss about the book launched. So the book written by the Bimal Jalan, and the name of the book is the From Dependence to Self-Reliance. The name of the book is the From Dependence to Self-Reliance, mapping India's rise as a global superpower, is written by the Bimal Jalan. Bimal Jalan is the former RBI governor. So the book named as the From Dependence to Self-Reliance, Mapping India's Rise as a Global Superpower has been written by the Bimal Jalan. Next is the name of the book is the Corbett Papers has been compiled and edited by the Akshay Shah and Stephen Alter. So this book is about the Jim Corbett. Jim Corbett is the national park which is located in the Uttarakhand. So the Jim Corbett National Park is located in the Uttarakhand. So the name of the book is The Corbett Papers, biographical, legal and contextual material on the life and career of Jim Corbett of Kumaon. This is compiled and edited by the Akshay Shah and Stephen Alter. Next, we shall discuss about the sports related news. So, in the sports related news, in the Formula One racing, the US Grand Prix 2022 has been won by the Max Verstappen. So, Max Verstappen has won the Formula One of USA. The Max Verstappen has been won by the Formula One of USA Grand Prix 2022. So, this is the current affairs of the 27th October 2022. Next, in the last we are giving one question. The question is Abdur Razzaq has visited Vijayanagar during the region of. Abdur Razzaq is the foreign traveler that visited the Vijayanagar during the region of. Option is Devaraya 1, Devaraya 2, Krishna Devaraya. Option D is the Veera Vijaya. So you have to give the answer to this question in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.